Toxic ka ba sa cosplay community? I mean, bobo ka kasi. Ikaw na nga may kasalanan. Ikaw pa hindi mag-sorry. Ano, bobo ka kasi. Matanda ka ba? Isip bata ka pa rin. Bobo ka kasi.
Oh, sweet Jesus Christ, it's Jason born mga kaunggoy. It is I, Manong, Jireh, and I apologize mga kaunggoy na sobrang tagal ng previous video ko and ngayon lang ako nakapag-upload ng video. Pero meron tayong pag-uusapan ngayon and tungkol ito sa cosplay. Meron daw mga toxic cosplayers. Meron daw mga kupal din sa cosplay. Akala ko nung una, puro inosente yung mga nasa cosplay community. Pero little did I know, meron din mga kupal dito sa cosplay community. Ano masasabi mo doon, Yvaii?
Hello! So yeah, I'm here. Surprise! Anyway, at first, nung nagsali kami sa Coscom, we really thought it was a wholesome community. And that's the forefront of it, to be honest. Pag pumasok ka ng Coscom, it's a really wholesome and nice community. But deep down, there are very few people who are toxic as fuck.
Ako kasi mga kaunggoy, pag narinig ko kasi cosplay, the first thing that comes up to my mind is innocent nerds dressing up as characters they love or like.
For me naman kasi, I cosplay for fun, like a lot of people, but it's also a way for me to detach from reality for a little while. I like portraying as a different character because it makes like I'm living a different life.
Meron kami nakitang post sa isang tao. I was able to get his permission to use this for a video. For this video, mga kaunggoy.
Permission granted for today's video.
Yeah, this video is sponsored by this person who made this post. So, ang sinabi niya dito, uy, member ka pala nun, blank cosplay group. He will not be a part of any cosplay group or organizations with delusions of grandeur. Never again. Meron kasi mga iba dyan, matataas ang pride, matataas ang ego, mga narcissist, no? Wala kang ginagawang masama sa kanila, pero galit sila sa'yo.
So, yung situation na sinasabi ni Jireh kanina is, merong magkagalit, si 1 and 2. Sila lang dapat yung magkagalit, diba? Sila nga yung magkaaway eh. Kaso lang, there's this outside person na hindi naman kasama sa away nila. Siya yung galit na galit sa isa dun sa nag-aaway.
What the fuck?
At saka ito pa yung malupit. Yung isang galit na hindi naman kasali. Ngayon, galit na galit sa mga nag-mediate ng away. Isipin mo, ikaw na nga nag-mediate ng away, ikaw yung nag-effort para ayusin yung away, nagalit pa sa'yo yung ibang tao.
Tanga! Pangtangang mindset yan ah.
Where's the fucking logic in that? Hindi ko maintindihan saan niya nakuha yung pag-iisip na gano'n. Like, kahit saang angulo mo tignan, unless may mental health problem siya, in any angle, hindi mo talaga maintindihan saan nanggaling yung galit niya for that mediator. Walang ginagawa sa'yo yung tao, magigising ka na lang, uy, galit na to sa akin, tangin naman ginawa ko sa'yo.
Mali yan. Maling mindset yan.
Continuing on the post, which is ito, pakita mo na lang sa screen para nasusundan nila tayo.
I cosplay who I want, when I want, I make my own fun, and if I cosplay a character and happen to meet up with some cosplayers of the same genre, sure, I'll join them for that event on that occasion, but that does not mean I am joining them on a permanent basis. Okay, so you can send invites all you want and I will check and decline if I don't like your goals.
Exactly. Cosplay community is freedom for all. You do whatever makes you happy kasi it's your way of doing it for yourself. Who the fuck are you to say that someone else should do what you want? You have no fucking right to do that to someone or for someone to do that to you. That's just not right.
Saka ito mga kaunggoy, meron, ayun nga mga delusions of grandeur at saka yung mga nagfe-fame seeking at saka hate spreading kasi meron talagang mga tao sa cosplay community na nagsispread ng hate.
Actually, the red flag parts sa Coscom na I was mentally prepared and aware of are the creepy. Ito recently may mga nakikita akong posts na bukod sa may mga nananakawan daw ng phones, especially iPhones, meron daw mga nahuhuling photographers na taking pictures of some parts of ladies, especially minors. And there are also cases of some cosplayers who are making other cosplayers uncomfortable by calling them pet names or nicknames, like calling them mommy without their permission, or biglaan lang, like there's no absolute fucking reason for you to call that person mommy. Like, di ka naman nakikipagbiruan, bakit mo siya tatawaging mommy or daddy or whatever.
So, yung sinabi ni Yvaii, that's another topic, and kasama din yon sa toxicity, mga toxic shit dito sa cosplay community, mga kaunggoy. Let's go back to this person's post. Meron siyang second post. Ito malupit din to. When I say delusions of grandeur, I mean if you have ever felt you and your group deserve an entire cosplay event dedicated only to your genre, and you badmouth and trash talk other events with its own themes that aren't yours. You have delusions of grandeur. Gusto ko mag-mention mga kaunggoy, pero I will not mention anyone. Ayoko sila i-mention because they don't deserve the clout. I will not give them any clout whatsoever. Hindi ko sila papasikatin ulit.
Funny how they think we need them to go viral.
Tsaka ito, merong mga feeling, no? Tulad nga ng sinabi nitong person na to, sabi niya, delusions of grandeur. Feeling nila na they are very famous. Ang sabi nila, kaya kami ng gulo kuno is gusto daw namin mag-viral, kaya daw kami nagsimula ng gulo. Pero, here is the thing. Ito real talk to, hindi to pagmamayabang. We have the numbers to back it up kung ano man yung sasabihin ko ngayon. Sumikat kami nang wala kayo, mas sumikat lang kayo nung nakasama kami. Real talk yun.
You need some aloe vera for that burn, bitch?
Real talk yun mga kaunggoy. Hindi namin kayo kailangan para sumikat. We are famous on our own. We are earning money from social media on our own. Eto pa willing pa ako tumulong. I came with good intentions, ako pa rin ang ginawang masama. So eto wala akong minimension na pangalan, pero bato-bato sa langit. Kung sinong matamaan, sorry na lang, no? Kayo
Ba't ka magsasorry? Anong ginawa mo dun? Dapat nga siya
Dapat nga sila mag-sorry. You want that exclusive event to happen? Become an organizer instead of waiting for one to listen to you and bad-mouthing them for not giving you what you want. May mga gantong mga cosplayers na nagagalit dahil wala daw dedicated na event para sa theme nila. May mga ganon. Di sila gumawa ng sarili na lang event.
Puro anime, puro superhero, nilamon na sila ng sistema nila. Okay, fuck off. We are all essentially nerds playing dress up here. What makes you think you are any better by saying this? If you cosplay and deny being a nerd in some way, shape, or form, boy, you are in serious denial.
Yup. At saka,
Like,
bakit sila magagalit? Puro anime, puro superhero. Yun yung trip ng tao Kanya-kanyang trip yan. Walang pakialamanan ng trip. Walang basagan ng trip. Bahala kayo sa buhay niyo kung ano gusto niyong gawin, no?
Exactly.
This is a free country. You can do whatever the fuck you want just as long as wala kayong tinatapakan na iba. Takot sila sa group natin kaya di tayo welcome sa event nila. Sinabi nila yun?
Delulu malala.
Do you hear yourself? Maybe it's because your group's roster is affiliated with people with disruptive, problematic behavior that makes organizers say they don't want you there. Sure, maybe not as bad as a certain perverted photographer, but bad enough for organizers to think
twice.
Okay. Eto, maganda nilang gawin mga kaunggoy. Maybe, alisin nila yung isang toxic, no? And everyone is fucking happy. Isa lang naman yung childish dyan eh. No? Yung parang 14-year-old na babae na may issue sa class nila kung umasta. Parang ganon. Please act your fucking age, please. Para kang 14-year-old girl na may issue sa classroom. Actually, pag tinanggal yun dun sa grupo na yun, feeling ko unlad yun. Believing your own hype shit is not a good trait in real life. Living the gimmick is a pro wrestling thing, not cosplay. There should be a fine line where the cosplay ends and you, as an actual person, begin. And that's coming from me, a guy who basically method acts when in cosplay.
Delulu. Alam mo, parang more on delulu talaga tong problema ng mga tao dito. Like, you're so invested in this character na you're acting like this character and you're creating your own reality around that character of yours. To a point na, this is what happens.
Ito malupit to. Isa pa tong burn para sa kanila.
Bakit?
Spreading unfounded rumors does not make you look cooler. It makes you look like the local chismosa. Ayoko na magsalita pero parang nasabi na namin to kanina mga kaunggoy. Mahilig sila mag-spread ng rumors sa mga organizers, sa mga ibang cosplayers. Ang hilig nila mag-spread ng rumors at saka ng babackstab pa.
Pero you know what's funnier? You know what's funnier?
What?
Alam na ng cosplay community yung ugali nila.
Yun yung maganda, yun yung malupit. And masaya ako doon. Finally, the entire cosplay community is seeing through their bullshit. And they deserve it. They dug their own grave. They better fucking lie. Deserve nila yan. And sana mas marami pang cosplayers na ma-realize yung kagaguhan nila at talagang isyan na sila. Hindi yung mga yung mga non-toxic yung mga mababait,
stay.
Yung mga iba parang get them the fuck out of cosplay, no?
Well, first of all, piliin mo yung mga sinasamahan mong tao. Piliin mo yung mga kinakaibigan mo. Kailangan kasi kapag mga ganyan, may mga signs ka na tinitignan, like your own mental checklist na, oh, itong person na to, pasok siya, so he's gonna be one of my friends. Oh, okay, to, so they're gonna be one of my friends. Kailangan may basehan kayo, have some standard. Hindi porket nasa same community kayo is hayaan mo na lang na ganon.
Tsaka ito mga kaunggoy, sa mga cosplayers dyan nagko-cosplay tayo to enjoy. Pupunta tayo sa mga convention na to para mag-enjoy, para meet new friends.
Yeah.
Para yung makipag-bonding sa mga close nyo.
Ito pa, good point yan. Pumunta ka sa cosplay events para maging masaya. So, bakit ka maninira ng araw ng iba? Gaya nga nasabi ko, pick your people, pick your group, pick your friends, choose your friends. Kasi if you don't like that person, layuan mo na lang yung tao. Wag na yung gagawa ka pa ng mga issue or some shit like that. Ignore mo na lang siya. Block that person. Delete them from your life. Cross-mark their faces from your sites or whatever. Yun yung best advice na masasabi ko sa inyo. Kasi the more na pinapansin nyo yung kinakainisan nyo sa isang tao, the more na magiging toxic kayo nang hindi nyo namamalayan.
Ito, payo ko sa inyo mga kaunggoy. We are here to enjoy. Huwag kayong maging mayabang. Huwag kayong maging narcissist. Huwag kayong maging kupal. Huwag kayong maging egotistical. Basta, maging normal na tao lang kayo, please. Babaan nyo pride nyo. Lalong-lalo na pag kayo yung may kasalanan. Babaan nyo pride nyo. At kayo ang mag-sorry, ganon. So, babaan nyo pride nyo. At the end of the day, we are all nerds playing dress up. That's the bottom line. That is the fucking bottom line. And that's the bottom line because Manong fucking Jireh said so. I'm with
yvaii.
Next topic will be gatekeepers. Stay tuned for that.
Damn.
Ay lang mga kaunggoy. I'm a head out.